Hello besties. Okay, today we're going to just do a real quick video and we are going to change the signature in our Gmail. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to google.com, and if you haven't already, go ahead and sign in to your Gmail. Okay, so now you're inside your Gmail, and to edit your signature, you're just going to go into this little gear setting up in the right hand corner, the gear icon, excuse me, and then we're going to go into our settings. So there's a lot of stuff here, but don't panic. We're just going to scroll down, and you're going to look for this signature section, this section right here. Now, I have it set to no signature, but just turn on this little bubble, click this little bubble, and if you have multiple emails, you can actually have a unique signature for each email. So I'm just going to set it on this one. You can kind of see I've put together one right here. You can put a picture in here or just your name. Most commonly, I see people just put they put just a dash in front of their name and that's it. So, but if you wanted to add a picture, or if you wanted to do some formatting, you can certainly do all of that in here. So here I just added this image, and when you add an image, if you click on it, you get these different settings down here. So this is set to the original size. Now you can see before I just put it in as small, and I don't need the image in there anyways, but just in case you wanted to know how to do that, I'm actually going to delete that, and I'm just going to leave it as just as my name. So once you've got all of that done, you're just going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and save changes. So just to make sure that it worked, we're going to go and compose, and here you can see at the end it has automatically added my signature for the associated email address. Now again, you can do a unique signature for each email. So I don't have one set up on this one, so there is no signature. So that's just real quick on how to do a signature for your Gmail, and hope that was easy enough for you. Have a good rest of your day.